I think today's the day I'm gonna wrap the trunk. Yo, yeet. So yeah, I brought the car in the driveway today. I might bring out the tent, I'm not sure, but yeah, this gotta get removed. This is gonna get removed. I tried taking this out the other night, it didn't want to come out, so we're gonna try to work around that. But yeah, yee. Alright, y'all, got the pop-up canopy out, and it's time to get to work. Hold on, let me take this out real quick. My heat gun, $20 at Walmart, can't go wrong. That's about it. Alright guys, I'm gonna test out this POV. Got my GoPro mounted, but looks like it's raining. It's not coming in the tent, so I think it's still a go. So let me just clean the trunk real quick and then take everything off, and hopefully this drizzle passes. Looks like it's gonna pass, so by the time I'm cleaning it should be gone. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, so yeah, basically what I got in this little bowl is just some water and dish soap. You don't need that much water and soap to clean it because it's just this area right here. So yeah, let's just shoot this trunk down. Let me get this rag out of the way. All right. All right. I'm gonna turn it off real quick. Yeah, looks like the drizzle just passed. All right, let's wipe this trunk down. This thing stinks. I gotta wash this after this. All right, first thing I want to do is pop these clips out here. It's kind of just sitting in there really. One on this side. I had other ones in here, but I took them out because I was gonna wrap the roof the other night, you know. But I had those complications. And then I gotta take these bolts out here, and this bolt out here. Take off the spoiler and the wickerbill. Be right back. All right, I'm really hoping it's the 11 because I might have, stupid cat, might have misplaced the 10. Let's see, please me. Actually, these were the same size. Well, it's actually smaller, it might be an 8. Let's try the 8. I think they were the same. Let me check. I really believe they were the same size. Oh, this feels like the 11 can get it. Alright. Maybe they weren't the same size. Actually might have been a 10. Come on. Yeah, it might be a 10. Damn it. Alright, I found the 10. I guess I put it in here yesterday, which is good. Didn't lose it. Next we want to use the drill now. Let's just use this drill. The drill makes the job way faster, but sometimes you got to be careful when you're tightening stuff. All right, guys, so that's where it's drilled into. I don't know if you guys can see it in there, but yeah, it's in that hole and this hole. Yeah, sorry about all this gunk. The previous owner put this in here. I guess he had some loud subwoofers in here, so yeah, he needed those to,
Mommy,
you know, reduce the vibration of it. But yeah, so those are the holes right there. All right, so we got those screws out. Can put this down gently so it doesn't lock on us. Oh, the two-way tape might have got caught again. Alright, I'll just set this right here. I'm talking about hay now. Hey me, go now, you're naked. You're naked. Make sure you're all in here nice and wiped down and clean. This is where the extra film is gonna lay. Give me one house. Boy, he's coming on his underwear and stuff. Give me 5 next month, son. You can't be doing that no more. Clean under here as best as can. What is this? This old vinyl? Damn, it is. Looks like old vinyl. A lot of you don't know the Daytonas, they had this black vinyl that came across right here, the trunk lid. That's probably what this is right here, leftovers. I got the car without the stripe. I'm kind of upset about that. It did kind of looks cool with that trunk lid stripe. All right, it looks clean for the most part. But I'm gonna go with the alcohol wipe afterwards. Yep, that's why I don't play basketball. Oh, this is a vinyl wrapper's best friend, I believe. Besides your squeegee. Don't take my word, guys, okay? I'm no pro. I know nothing about this. Just simply, my bad. I'm just simply a guy who loves to save money where I can. I took this out before, guys, so I know what I'm doing. All right. I already gotta force it. All right, so I skipped a couple parts. I forgot the recording, guys. Sorry. So what I did was, I don't have magnet, so I laid the vinyl over, stuck this corner. I simply just peeled the vinyl underneath, trying to keep as much dust particles out as possible. So yeah, so just gonna try and lay this down as straight as possible. Just take the protective layer off. Throws in the backseat for now. Oh, got the squeegee. Alright, got the squeegee. Pro Tent Bundle. the hell? Alright. What the heck? See if we can work some magic here. Alright, sorry guys, my GoPro keeps dying. I'm just gonna use my phone to record my progress. Sorry about that. I was actually really looking forward to using a GoPro, but I guess I gotta update my GoPro. And yeah, let's just get this wrap done with. And I'll show you guys what's going on. Okay guys, so I kind of messed up really bad right here. I wasn't paying attention. I guess I was too close with the heat gun and melt the hole right here. But I think the spoiler is gonna cover that anyways. But yeah, all of this area came out really good. I'm just gonna rip this out and the bottom. Alright guys, sorry for barely recording, but so this is what we got so far. I remember this from the beginning. So mad about that still. But this part came out pretty good. So yeah, we're just gonna have to tuck these edges and then cut the excess off. So yeah, let me do that and get right back. Alright, this is the finished product. Yeet! All right, here came out pretty good. It's kind of covering, oh, actually it's covering it really good. Like the wrinkle is like right here at the edge. Other than that, came out pretty good. My neighbor did his hood. He did 3M. He said 3M was super easy, way easier than Vivid. So maybe next time I'll just go to 3M, spend the extra money. You do get what you pay for, right, babe? Huh? You get what you pay for, yeah. Sometimes, yeah. I didn't do the roof again yet. We had a hard time putting back the latch, but yeah, pretty happy with it.